guys, it's Shelby with the Viney Grove Goats, and I'm making this video to show you all the essential things I use during kidding season. I'm so excited to announce that the first sponsor of the Viney Grove Goats is Purina Animal Nutrition. They have brand new products out, and I think that they are perfect things to add into your kit. If you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know that I've always used Purina Animal Nutrition. I would never recommend anything in this kit that I wouldn't use myself. That being said, let's get into it. Okay, first thing I want to go over is this Goat Kid Milk Replacer. This was actually vet recommended to me after my doe passed, so now I have 3 babies on the bottle and I have no does in milk, so I'm so glad that I had this in my kit. I think formulas have gotten a bad rap in the past just because they weren't designed for the digestive system of goats. The next thing is this colostrum replacer, Lamb and Kid. Definitely keep that on standby. You never know what's going to happen. Luckily, my babies had colostrum for the first 24 hours before she passed, and so I didn't have to use that. I also like to give goat electrolytes to all mamas after that they've kidded. It's a nice boost in their system. I also keep another bucket of just plain water so they can have the option of either or. If you're gonna have all of these things, you'll definitely need a bottle. So keep a bottle even if you don't think you're gonna have bottle babies. I would always have one on standby. Another thing that I think is great to add into the water after they've kidded is some molasses. They absolutely love sweet things. It's gonna help encourage them to drink it. It's a nice tasty treat and it'll give them a little energy boost. So speaking of energy boosts, probiotics. This is something I've used for years and years. After they kid, I give them a little bit of this and it is amazing stuff. I have some general lube on standby just in case I have to intervene. You want to lube up your gloves. I think is good to have is some iodine. You can sterilize your scissors with them or dip their cords in the iodine after the kids are born just to help prevent any infection. When the babies are born, if you're there and you're lucky to help out, I always have this suction right next to me. You can suction out their nose and their mouths to help them from asphyxiating on the fluid and mucus. So this is a necessity. Another thing I have for myself are these Clorox wipes. Somehow, even if I have gloves, I get stuff all over me and I want to make sure I get everything nice and disinfected. I always have a nice towel, it's an old one, and some shop towels as well. I feel like these towels are a lot more absorbent, so definitely have some old towels on standby as well. And a hair dryer. This is my Revlon hair dryer and it has helped me warm up so many kids and calves. This is just a great thing to have because you never know if they're going to be cold and they need a little boost. But this is pretty much everything that I have. I also have a thermometer that I can't find. If you have any questions or feel like I'm missing something, please comment below and let me know what you think. And good luck with your kidding season.